Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry, and today gagawa tayo ng chocolate chip cookies. This is a soft-baked cookie recipe na may konting crunch from the edges. Ito nga yung go-to recipe ko for a classic chocolate chip cookie, rich in flavor with a mouthful of chocolates in every bite, na nilevel up pa natin with Nutella filling. To start, pipe tayo ng Nutella over a tray with parchment and diretso natin sa freezer to harden. For our dry ingredients, sa isang bowl, sift natin all together yung ating 2 3/4 cups ng all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon ng cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside muna natin yan. Sa bowl naman ng ating stand mixer, beat natin yung ating 1 bar o 225 grams ng softened and salted butter, 1 cup dark brown sugar, and half cup white sugar. Cream natin sila together, scraping the sides of the bowl. Then, pwede na natin i-add yung ating 2 large eggs, 1 at a time, and ating 2 teaspoons ng vanilla for flavor. Once it's pale and creamy, pwede na natin i-add yung ating dry ingredients kanina. Mix it well just until incorporated. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then, lastly, pwede na natin i-stir in yung ating chocolates. Add na natin yung 250 grams ng milk chocolate chunks and 150 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Stir lang natin lightly to avoid overmixing, then pwede na tayong mag-scoop. Gamit ang medium-size ice cream scoop, scoop natin yung ating cookie dough over a tray lined with parchment paper. For this recipe, nakagawa tayo ng 30 pieces ng soft-baked cookies na ganito yung size. After that, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating Nutella filling. Pwede nyo siyang bilugin with your clean hands or cover up with extra dough to seal in the filling. Press natin ng konti yung top with our fingers for some texture. Then top natin with more chocolate chips. Lagyan na natin sa freezer for at least 4 hours for even baking or preferably overnight to develop flavors. Straight from the freezer, pwede na natin silang i-bake sa preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 15 minutes or until slightly golden. Cool natin sila completely over a wire rack, and that's it! Enjoy your homemade chocolate chip cookies.